All right, welcome back again. I know I'm on a roll because we have so much snow outside. A lot of snow outside. It's still coming down. It's going to be coming down for a while. We got at least a foot overnight. So, we're going to talk about an unboxing. Perfect for a snow day. But first, let's listen to Maddie and Tay. All right. Well, it's not really an unboxing. It's just because I've already unboxed it. But what better thing to have? So this is my big cup. If you drink coffee, have a big cup. As you can tell, I got this at the Space Needle in Seattle. So we're going to talk about, yes, this month's subscription box to Black Rifle Coffee Company. I know. I love Black Rifle Coffee. Nothing, I mean, most of the cheap, like Folgers and stuff like that, you buy these coffees in the store and they taste like charcoal. So you're always putting sugar, you're putting cream, just trying to make it palatable. Well, in Black Rifle, you drink it black. Why? Because you want to taste what good coffee tastes like. So, I have a subscription box. It's the only one I actually subscribe to. No, it's not fishing. It is these guys. And it's so exciting to get my Black Rifle coffee. I get 4 bags a month. So, this month they gave me something I had last month. And it's a light roast called Gunship. Yes, they're all sort of military themes. Cool looking packaging. And Gunship is one of my family's favorites, so we're happy to get it back because basically, because of the holidays, we ran out of coffee. But we got 3 new ones. Should I show you the cute one first? Yeah, we'll show you the cute one first. Now, this is also a light roast. And this is my son's new favorite. And it's called Space Bear. That's right, Space Bear. And this is nutty, citrus, floral hints to it, with a little bit of black tea flavoring in there. It's a light roast, so this is a very smooth, very casual coffee. Very nice. I think it's my son's new favorite because he's been using it. And then we got 2 similarly named but different coffees. This is the one I'm drinking right now. This is called Freedom Roast. Sort of a chocolate, vanilla, buttery hints to this particular ground. And it's called Freedom Roast. And it also is, I mean, none of these have a bitter aftertaste to it. They don't taste over roasted, very smooth, no charcoal-y taste. It just tastes good. Now, I really can't taste the chocolate and vanilla in here, but definitely the buttery. But anyway, my palate's not the best in the world. I just know what I like. So this is a medium roast. Then, my first dark roast they have sent me. And this one's called Freedom Fuel. Dark roast. Now, I'm always afraid of dark roast because I'm always afraid of the high acidity in it. The bitterness that you sometimes get with it. This has sort of a chocolate, walnut, anise type of smell and aroma and flavor to it. What I'm shocked, that for a dark roast, I like it. Excuse me, even my wife likes it. Freedom Fuel. This is a really delicious coffee. again, it's a dark roast, and I'm not a dark roast guy. I'm just not. Yeah, I'm older. My stomach is more sensitive. I'm a sensitive guy. And this is really good. So, I mean, Black Rifle Coffee Company always has, specials going on, discounts and stuff like that. But anybody that tastes Black Rifle coffee is going to tell you it's a very good coffee. Is it the best they've ever had? I don't know. That's up to them and what they've had in the past. But nonetheless, I mean, I love getting... I'm Italian. I like food. And on a cold, snowy, wintry day, having something delicious and warm to sip is, well, it's perfect. I can't go fishing, so I'm making videos left and right. But this arrived while I was on vacation last week, so my kids sort of opened it because we had run out of coffee. And it's just really good coffee. And my kids are looking forward to getting coffee in the mail. I mean, come on. Kids. Oh, look, they're old kids. 23, 19, and soon to be 16. Yeah, very soon. It's this month. This week. So anyway, I am very happy with this month's shipment of Black Rifle. I always forget, right, left, it's opposite on my screen. So, right, left. And it just looks weird when I do this. But anyway, guys, check them out. If you want to treat yourself to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 bags or whatever you want a month, I got sort of like their bestseller type mix, so it changes every month. You don't have to do that. You can go with what your favorite is, which mine so far is the Mac V. Mac V is so far has won the battle in the dozen or so flavors I have already tried. And we'll see, what next month brings. So anyway, I gotta remember which hand that is. B, Black Rifle Coffee Company. Anyway, I'll put a link down below. You guys take care. I'll make another video because it is so snowy outside. Put some seeds in the bird feeder so birds just, in an hour, eat all those seeds up. I got so many house sparrows out front. They're big and fat and they're just so cute. And, it's like a hive mentality upon the bird feeder. So probably even feed them by hand. Just put it out there. So anyway, you guys take care. Daz, Logan, all you guys, love the videos today. So really good videos today for my mates across the pond and stuff. And definitely like to see all that love in the family. So you guys take care. We'll see you guys in the soon-to-be next episode.